Good morning mga kaloks. Good morning everyone. And good evening all over the world. And good morning. Anyway mga kaloks, I'm trying to figure out what I need to make breakfast for Lulu John. Because yesterday I made him some scrambled egg with cheddar cheese and bacon. And what else did I make in the yesterday? Pancakes. Yes. Let me see. So, I don't know what I'm going to make with Lulu Jam breakfast today, mga kalaws. Oh, first of all, good morning, mga kalaws. I want to say thank you so much for watching my video and subscribing and viewing. Thank you so much, you guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for your support. But anyway, this morning I'm thinking what I'm going to make for Lulu Jam breakfast. Because yesterday I made him scrambled egg with cheddar cheese, pancake, and bacon. He likes this. He's the one that taught me how to make this. But okay, so I think I'm going to make him this pepperoni scrambled egg with pepperoni. Do you guys, if you have not tried this, try this. It's really yummy. Really yummy. You'll be surprised. Okay, so let's make it now. So over here, mga kalas, I'm gonna put just a teaspoon of butter. Yeah. You don't need, I don't usually put salt because I like to put this, a pinch of this Maggi Sarap. Just a pinch. And you don't need to put salt, mga kalaws, because, you know, and just a pinch of the chicken bouillon, just a pinch, if you have just the 3 eggs. And then you don't need to put salt because it's already, you know. Then I like to put my, I like it to put, yeah, just like that. After the pepperoni looking like this, like maybe 1 minute cooking, you can go ahead and put the scramble. Make sure you do not stir it too much because you know you want it poppy. The way I stir my egg, scrambled egg, is I just kind of like push it up and let the pan tip this way. That way the eggs, it will be fluffy, you know. And you can just slowly hit, you know, just slowly, because you want your egg to be fluffy. So that way it will look whole. Because if you stir the scrambled egg too much, it gets so dry, you know, it gets dry. So this is enough. I like it this way. I like it more looking kind of cream, juicy look, not too dry. So this is good. So there you go, mga kalaws. This is Lulu Jam breakfast. It's a scrambled egg with pepperoni. Yay! And this is, I partner it with English muffin. Yes, English muffin and his scrambled egg with pepperoni. You guys should try it. It's really yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So there you go, mga kalaos. This is Lulu Jam breakfast. It's scrambled egg with my pepperoni. And he is having also English muffin. I hope you like Lulu Jam breakfast that I made for him today. Please give me thumbs up and subscribe in my video. Buhay Lala! Grandma's life never done. Then taking it upstairs to him so he can get ready for work and he can have my coffee. Mhm. Yeah. Daddy, breakfast. Sorry, you can't see him. He doesn't like to be in the camera. Little Jen don't like to be in the camera.